Okay guys, I was supposed to film this episode and explain the topic to you completely and show you the topic, which is a completely free topic and there is no capital in it, but after I finished the episode I said no, I have to provide them with proof that this site is real or what we are going to explain. I don't want to tell you. What is it? Let me understand this from the video that he is real, that he is honest, and that he pays. That's why I worked and withdrew, and there is proof of profit. The subject is completely free. Proof of the first profit is $5, and this is what you will see during the video. I will complete it. I filmed it, meaning I will insert it into the inside of the video and you will see it. You can prove the profit yourself, and indeed guys, the withdrawal has arrived in front of you with a value of $5.44, completely free of charge, on my wallet, without a single pound, as a completely free capital. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button on everyone so that you receive notifications of all new videos.
I'm here on the channel offering you free explanations for making money from the internet, so I ask you to please, and it is not an order, to subscribe to the channel to support us, and do not forget to like the video. Welcome again guys. This is the application that we are talking about. The first thing we will do is to log out of the application so that you know how to work on the application or how to create an account on the application. We will do this by signing out in this way.
Of course, I will leave the download link for you in the video description. As I told you, do not worry about it. The application opens the application for you on Google Play. You start downloading the application and it opens the home page for you in this way. After that, you click on sign up. Very excellent. Here you write your name, here you write your email, and here you write the password. Make sure of the password that you remember it, and do not forget it, because if you exited the application completely by mistake or you deleted the application incorrectly, it was transferred from phone to phone. Of course, you remember the password. And remember the email address that you registered with. After you enter your data, you click on sign up like this. You created an account on the site. Of course, I will log back in because I created an account before. I will come back like this and you will press on sign in. I will start entering my email and enter the password that I used. After that, I click on sign in again. Very excellent. Guys, I just entered my account. Keep in mind, it may ask you to confirm the login twice. This means that you will enter your data. The email and password may be requested from you again. Exactly again, guys, I just entered the application. How did I work on the application? First, let me start with you on something called the daily reward. We will click on the daily reward like this. Keep in mind that ads will appear for you, and any ads that appear, this is an important point. Keep in mind the ads that appear because we are responsible for them, nor is the owner of the application responsible for them. The advertising company that has a contract with Google to display the advertisement for the last period with all the applications that we use remains responsible for it. Unfortunately, there are many applications that are dating applications. You may find an advertisement for these applications. I have no relationship with any of you who sees an advertisement for one of these applications and downloads it. I have no relationship. You are the one who is responsible for what you see and for what you do. I am the same, but I am telling you that the application you earn from it by watching ads. I am not responsible for the ad that appears to you, nor is the owner of the application responsible for it. It is the advertising company that contracts with Google, and you will remain responsible if you interact with the ad. Our goal is to work hard and earn from the application. There is no invitation to the ads that appear, okay? Daily bonus here. You will click on get the bonus. Of course, an advertisement will appear in front of us. You will be required to wait for the advertisement to end in order to take your bonus like this. I took my bonus, and if we step on this arrow like this, you will find it there. How much did I have? I had 490, and now I have 560. I mean, I took 50 as soon as I entered the daily bonus. After that, I have something called scratch to win, which is to scratch the picture and win. As soon as I scratch the picture, it will also appear in front of me. An advertisement like this, guys. I took 5 coins. Come back like this. Of course, no advertisement appeared in front of me. I took my coin, click on spin and win. I will press spin.
I'm supposed to wait until this wheel finishes, meaning it stops and an advertisement appears in front of me. And after the advertisement is finished, he gives me another gift or a coin.
Again, very excellent. I will click get. This is how an advertisement appeared in front of me. I took my gift. Can I press spin again? Please press spin all day long. All day long you will continue to press spin to collect points or collect coins in order to reach the minimum withdrawal limit. We will explain all of this now, and I will also tell you how to withdraw your winnings. Wait for the wheel to stop and it will appear in front of you. Another advertisement and you start taking the prize. Of course, if the wheel stops at the green one, which is the green circle, it will be a bigger gift. We click on get the price, and an advertisement like this appears in front of you, and all you do is wait for the advertisement to end, and an X appears for you, which is the blue bar below it. When it ends, it will show you, and every time you're at ease, you're sitting and pressing on. You won't lose anything. You're collecting money. Okay, after that we're here. This is the mission, and this one needs you to focus on it. We may have seen it on sites before, but this time I want you to focus. If you weren't focused before, no, focus this time. This is instead of the 1000th time, because it is very, very, very important and something that remains important. Do not think that when you operate a VPN, you will be shown more expensive ads. Your profit will increase. If you do this, your account will be suspended. If you use a VPN, your account will be suspended and you will be blocked and you will not be able to operate the application again. Don't turn on the VPN. We will click on offer walls. Very excellent. Focus on staying with this company. This company tells you, of course, every day that this offer, if you complete the opinion poll, you will receive 1,200 points. This offer is for how much is 1,200 points or 1,200 coins? If so, this offer is valid every day for 1,200. The game is downloaded, the game is played for up to 10 rounds, and after that, you take 1,350 points. The same story is in this offer. You download the game, you do not know how to reach the quantitative level, you take 775 points. The whole story means that you will download the application again and reach a certain number of, or reach a specific level in this second game. So you will receive 775 coins for the application, from which you will earn by watching ads. Likewise, if you download the application and reach a certain number or level, you will receive 550 points. I mean, here I think you can reach a large number of currencies, 3,500. This is 10,500. This is 2,625. I want you to focus on this. This offer is 10,500. This is 2,600. This is 2,175. 1,900. This is 16,350. I want you to work on shows. Work on the big shows first. What do I work on? On the big offers first. Collect as much as possible. I mean, enter and make the daily reward. Entertain yourself like this while you are taking transportation or watching a movie. After that, when there is nothing left, download this application. Enter the offer, download the applications, and start implementing the conditions to collect these large currencies. Look at what offers. Offers of 11.0 and 9.0, and here is also 9.0. Here 7,000. Here 3,000. Why am I trying to assure you that the offers here are at a great price? And once you download the game and reach a certain number or reach a certain level in the game, you get this type. Why am I stressing to you about all these numbers? 9,000, 13,000 and a half. This is another show, for example. Another game. Of course, this is a small game like this. 37D for 5,700. Why am I telling you that the numbers here are large? If we come back here again, we will put pressure on the house. Of course, I haven't worked on coming soon yet. Why do you use it if you are working on offers or this application? We thus know the 4 important points that we are working on.
We will click on 3 bars. You have yours here. After that, you have this that you have withdrawn before, or the profits that you have withdrawn before that from the application. Of course, we still haven't withdrawn it.
You have something called daily tasks. This has not yet been added to the application. You still have a withdrawal request. Request payment from the site. The payment process means withdrawing profits. Of course, you withdraw profits via the digital dollar currency, meaning you withdraw them in digital currencies on Binance or TronLink, any digital currency wallet. I mean, you can withdraw on, you can withdraw on, you can withdraw, and you can withdraw. And the network means, if you withdraw on, of course, it tells you that there is a commission of $1. Okay, how much can I withdraw? The minimum withdrawal amount is 50. What is in the large amount? No, you are in. And what is the task is strong? No, that is YGB, but you should focus on it. From one offer, you win the 10 spoils and 16,000, meaning 5 offers, but you have reached the minimum withdrawal limit, less than 5 offers. You are possible from 3 offers. 4 offers reach the limit. The minimum withdrawal is 50 coins, which are $5, not $1. No, this is $5. 5 offers, but you can reach $5 or 4 offers. The minimum withdrawal is $5 if you are going to withdraw $1. If you are still going to withdraw Bitcoin, wait until you collect 100 points, but we want to. We withdraw, guys. As you guys saw at first when I thought, ladies and gentlemen, that I had finished filming the episode and there were approximately 650 available on the site. I don't remember the number of currencies that I had in the application, so I worked and made some offers and free things and was able to access these currencies. Of course, the offers are what brought in money. More, now I will start making proof of withdrawal with you. I will click on withdraw, or where will we get it from? Sorry, I forgot. And start choosing the amount I want to withdraw. I will make sure, but exactly how much do I have? 50,428. I will start clicking on withdraw, and it tells me here is correct. You have 54,000. I will write here 54,428. I will withdraw on USDT, and here I will write the password. I will get my wallet number and put the wallet number in the address. Here, of course, guys, I brought my wallet number. I will start adding it here in this way. Click on the address. It says here, confirm your wallet number so that we do not send the money incorrectly. There is no possibility of recovery. Of course, this is an important thing. You must verify it. You will click OK, very excellent. You have submitted a request for withdrawal. I will click on this. Is this the account or the amount under review? I will wait to see if it arrives after a while, and then I will tell you. Indeed, guys, the withdrawal has arrived in front of you, worth $5.44, completely free of charge, on my wallet, without a single pound of capital, totally free.